Good day and welcome to Zeus the Greedy Husky. Today we're going to try a challenge that has been done by Kayush, the stunt dog. I'm going to leave a treat by Snow and see if she will actually eat it or if she will wait. So we're going to test her patience. As you can see, she's very observant, waiting for the treat. So I'm going to leave it and I'm going to walk away and see exactly what she does. Wait. As you can see, Snow, definitely not a dog for patience. It's very enthusiastic. We first tried a treat that she's not very fond of, so now I'm going to give her her favorite treat and see if she is going to be patient enough to wait, or is she going to eat it? So here we go. Wait. Definitely not a patient Snow. We're going to try with Molly and Zeus next and just see if their reactions are very similar to Snow. Okay, it's Zeus's turn, so we're going to see if he is going to wait, or is he going to be enthusiastic enough as Snow was. So really going to test what he's going to do. So there we go. Leave it. As you can see, Zeus is not called Zeus the Greedy Husky for no reason. He really loves treats. Well, that was a treat that he doesn't enjoy. I'm going to put his favorite treat. Okay, we're going to try the very enthusiastic Zeus. See what he does for his favorite treat. Zeus, can you sit down? Yes, you're a good boy. Sit down. Sit down. Wait. 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 Can you be a little bit patient? Can you not be Zeus the Greedy Husky for a second? Are you going to be patient? Let's wait and see. As you can see, very enthusiastic, waiting for the treat. So I don't think I'm going to get a very good reaction from him to test his patience on this one. So let's just see what happens. Leave it! Zeus the Greedy Husky has failed the challenge. Thank you so much, my boy. Okay, it's Molly's turn. Everybody's all-time favorite. So Molly's gonna have her turn. I hope you guys could see behind the scenes what happens. It's just hilarious, especially with Molly. She has us in stitches all the time. So we're going to try first Molly's treat that she really doesn't fancy. And we're going to see if she is going to wait. So there you go, Molly. Makes a good ASMR, in fact. So as you can see, Molly, no patience. Zero patience. Okay, let's do her favorite treat. Very enthusiastic. Very ready for it. Watching the treat. Leave? Leave it? No, leave it doesn't work. Eat it does.